Sweet figgy pudding. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup soft bread crumbs, 1 cup water, 1 cup molasses, 1 cup chopped dried figs, 1 cup raisins, ½ cup chopped walnuts, ½ cup orange peel strips, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Preparation: grease the inside bowl of a double boiler. Mix flour, bread crumbs, water, molasses, figs, raisins, walnuts, orange peel, baking soda, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, and nutmeg together in a bowl until batter is well incorporated. Spoon batter into the prepared double boiler bowl and cover. Fill the bottom half of a double boiler with water and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer. Place bowl in the simmering water and cover. Steam until pudding is cooked through, adding water as needed, 3 hours. Cool slightly with cover a jar before serving warm.